Hello students, in this class we will discuss about debentures. It is second chapter of your subject corporate accounting. Debentures are discussed under section 71. Now what is debenture? A debenture is a written acknowledgement of a debt by a company under its common seal, generally secured by floating charge on company's assets. Interest is paid to debentures at a fixed rate at regular intervals. Company returns the amount of debentures as and when its requirement is over or after a specified period. This is known as redemption of debentures. According to section 71 of the Companies Act 2013 related to debentures, the provisions are as follows. A company may issue debentures with an option to convert such debentures into shares, either wholly or partly, at the time of redemption. Provided that the issue of debentures with an option to convert such debentures into shares, wholly or partly, shall be approved by special resolution passed at a general meeting. No company can issue debentures carrying any voting rights. Voting rights are given only to shareholders, not to debenture holders. Debentures are actually creditors of the company. Secured debentures may be issued by a company subject to such terms and conditions as may be prescribed. Where debentures are issued by a company under this section, the company shall create a debenture redemption reserve account out of the profits of the company available for payment of dividend, and the amount credited to such account shall not be utilized by the company except for the redemption of debentures. No company shall issue a prospectus or make an offer or invitation to the public or to its members exceeding 500 for the subscription of its debentures, unless the company has before such issue or offer appointed one or more debenture trustees, and the conditions governing the appointment of such trustees shall be such as may be prescribed. A debenture's trustees shall take steps to protect the interest of the debenture holders and redress their grievances in accordance with such rules as may be prescribed. Again, I will discuss the characteristics of debentures in short. Number 1, debenture is an acknowledgement of loan taken by a company in the form of certificate to the lender. Number 2, the face value of debentures are pre-decided. Number 3, debentures are issued under the common seal of company. Number 4, interest is paid by company at pre-decided rate and at regular intervals. Debentures do not have voting rights like shareholders. According to terms of issue, the amount of debentures are repaid. It is known as redemption. Generally, debentures are secured by floating charge on company's assets. So these were the characteristics of debentures. Now in next topic I will discuss about types of debentures. A company can issue various kinds of debentures with different rights, like firstly, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of an ownership, there are two types of debentures: registered debentures and bearer debentures. The debentures which are transferable only by transfer deed, whose names are written in the registers, names, addresses, particulars of the debentures possessed by them are entered in the register of the debentures. Interest is paid to one whose name appears on the register of debenture holders on the due date of interest. These are registered debentures. Number 2 is bearer debentures. Debentures which are transferred by mere delivery and the company does not keep the record of debenture holders' names, addresses, etc. Payment of interest is made on production of coupons attached with the debenture certificate. So these were two types of debentures on the basis of ownership: registered debentures and bearer debentures. Now the second basis is on the basis of redemption. On the basis of redemption, there are two types of debentures: redeemable debentures and irredeemable debentures. The debentures which are redeemed or the payment of which is made during the lifetime of company, generally after a specified period of time, and irredeemable debentures, in this case The issuing company does not fix any date by which they should be redeemed, and the debenture holders cannot demand payment so long as it is a going concern. Usually, such debentures are payable after a long period of time or on winding up of the company. Third basis is on the basis of conversion, convertible debentures. The holders of such debentures are given the option to convert the debentures into shares or new debentures after a specified time. Those which are fully convertible are called fully convertible debentures or simply FCDS, and those which are partly convertible are called partly convertible debentures or simply PCDS. Then, according to SEBI guidelines, the debentures cannot be converted within say 36 months of issue. Then there are non-convertible debentures. The holders of such debentures have no right to convert them into shares or new debentures. These are called NCDs. If NCDs are issued by the company and later on company wishes to convert the debentures, then it would be an option to debenture holders. Then the fourth basis is on the basis of security, secured or mortgaged debentures. The debentures which are secured either on a particular asset or on a general assets of the company, when a particular asset is put or pledged, is known as fixed charge, or when no specific asset is put, called floating charge. According to Rule 18(1) of Companies Rule 2014, the company shall not issue secured debentures unless it complies the following conditions. Number 1, an issue of secured debentures may be made provided the date of redemption shall not exceed 10 years from the date of issue. Such an issue of debenture shall be secured by a creation of a charge on the properties or assets of the company having a value which is sufficient. Third is the company shall appoint debentures trustees before the issue of prospectus or letter of offer for subscription of its debentures and not later than 60 days after the allotment of the debentures. Execute a debenture trust to protect the interest of the debenture holders, and the security for the debentures by way of a charge or mortgage shall be credited in favor of the debenture trustees on any specific movable property of the company not being in the nature of pledge, or any specific immovable property whether situate or any interest therein. So these were the debentures on the basis of security and the type of secured or mortgage debentures. Then there are unsecured or naked debentures. The debentures which are not secured, in other words, we can say no assets are pledged by the company with debenture holders. Companies of very good standing are able to issue such debentures. Then the fifth and the last basis is on the basis of interest rate. There was restriction of the government on the rate of interest up to 31/7/1991. Now company is free to decide rate of interest on debentures. On the basis of interest rate, debentures may be fixed rate of interest. The rate of interest on debenture is generally fixed and remains same up to redemptions. Market rate of interest does not affect the rate of debentures. Then zero interest debentures. The debentures on which no interest is paid by the company is called zero interest debentures. Such debentures are either issued at heavy discount, or such debentures or such debentures converted into equity shares offered at low rate, that is below market price. So these were the types. Now there is a difference between shares and debentures. Share is a part of a capital. Debentures is an acknowledgement of debt. Shares are called shareholders. And debentures are called debenture holders. Shareholders are owners of the company, and debenture holders are creditors of the company. So these were the differences. Dividend is paid on shares and interest is paid on debentures, and payment after debenture holders if surplus, and payment before shareholders is done to debenture holders. So that's all for this class. I hope you all understood. Thank you.